Barakatayawa, Barakatayawa Shai, Barakatayawa, Barakatayawa Shai, Barakatayawa, Barakatayawa Shai. All praise to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to Apostle Great Millstone. Salutation to the elect that's pushing this truth. So in today's lesson, I want to talk about spiritual power. All right, part 2. All right, so this is going to be a continuation of the other video I made about spiritual power. So we're going to receive spiritual power where we're able to protect ourselves during Jacob's trouble. Okay, the 144,000 men, all right, elect men of Israel, is going to be able to have powers that you would think that's out of this world. Okay, we're going to be able to have to do things that normal people can't do. All right, we're going to be able to run. All right, and not get tired. We're going to have super speed. Okay, be able to fly. All right, we'll be able to manipulate the elements of our mind. Okay, so now let's get a couple scriptures because we're going to need this power because the devil, all right, this is Esau. He's going to be rampaging, all right, and he's going to be pulling out all of his his weaponry, and then he's going to be going crazy. So we need this power to protect ourselves, all right, to protect the righteous 1/3, okay, and we're going to need this power so we can do some killing too, all right, and put some wicked people to death, all right, 2/3 of Israel, all right, Esau, and the other nations, all right. So this is Revelation chapter 12, verse 12. Therefore rejoice, ye heavens, and ye that dwell in them. Woe to the inhabitants of the earth and of the sea. The devil is come down upon you, having great wrath, because he know that he hath but a short time. Okay, so Esau, who is the devil, all right, the devil knows there is a short amount of time left, so he's going to come down with great wrath, all right. So he's going to be coming hard with all his secrets, all of his weaponry, all right, and then he's going to be wreaking havoc, all right. So he's going to be releasing different pestilence, okay. You see that Ebola is back, all right. It's back out of nowhere. Ebola is back. The bubonic plague, all right. You know, a whole bunch of other stuff, all right? He's going to be releasing drones on these people, martial law, okay? And then the troops will be breaking into houses, you know, and they'll be having their way with anybody they want, okay? So they'll be stealing, be killing, okay? They'll be raping, they'll do whatever they want, all right? So Esau's going to be a wild man, all right? Which is the devil, okay? Because devil just means deceiver, all right? Devil, when you see through scriptures, it's not always what you would say as because people think the devil is some red guy in terms of with a pitchfork, all right, living in hell. All right, that's not the case. All right, the devil that the Bible speaks of is Esau. All right, the Edomites. So let's get a little understanding of this. All right, so this is the group, this is the Hebrew right here. And the word is diablos, all right, for the devil, okay, because people think it's some pitchfork man. This is the Hebrew, all right, so right here, all right, so someone that's accusing falsely, okay? Slanderance, okay? And it says applied to a man who, by opposing the cause of God, may be said to act the part of the devil, all right? Or to side with him, okay? So if you are with this particular man, you're a devil. All right. But the main devil is the person that's doing these false allegations, accusing. All right. Someone that's a deceiver. That's the devil. All right. That's Esau. Esau is the ultimate deceiver. That's why he's the devil. All right. So let's prove that. Let's prove that Esau is the deceiver. And if Esau is a deceiver, then he's a devil, straight up. Okay? Because you gotta understand who's coming down for this wrath. Okay? People think it's gonna be some pitchfork man that's living in hell. Alright? That's not the case. It's an actual man. Alright? As you saw, it's a man that goes against God's will. And who is that man? The ultimate deceiver. So this is Revelation chapter 18, verse 23. And the light of a candle shall shine no more at all in thee. All right, so that goes into Esau. All right, and it goes into his Illuminati. Okay, because they say that they're the light of the world. Okay, so it's saying that their light is gonna be no more. So the Illuminati, the secret societies, are gonna be no more. All right, and it says, in the voice of the bridegroom and the bride shall be heard no more at all in thee, for thy merchants were the great men of the earth. Okay, yes. So Esau, his military and all his power, he was the mighty powerful person. All right, and it says, for by thou sorcery were all nations deceived. So this person, this great man of the earth, deceived all nations. Sounds like the ultimate deceiver to me, which is Esau. So he's the devil. Knowing, and the devil, Esau, is the white man. All right? So you know that the white man's will be cracking down on you. And you need spiritual power to protect yourself from that. All right? Now, so let me just prove that in the scriptures, when you see devil, it's not always talking about like deceiver. All right, because people think it just always means one thing. Because when they see devil, they think about a guy in hell. All right, that's not the case. Devil can be used in different terms, but it's usually used for ultimate deceiver. In this example I'm gonna bring up, it's referring to an evil spirit, all right, a demon. Okay, so let me get that. So that's just showing you that you don't understand what you're reading. Some people don't understand what they're reading. All right. So this is Matthew chapter 17, verse 18. And Yahushua rebuked the devil, okay? And he departed out of him, and the child was cured from that very hour. So let's see what devil is, all right? So people think the minute they see devil, it means a man in hell, all right? See, that's not the case, all right? So in this case, it's talking about the spirit, okay? Being inferior to Yahweh, okay? It says evil spirits, all right? So when you see that, and you're thinking, so whenever you see the word devil, don't always think, people think it's always a guy in hell. That's not the case, all right? So if you did a little more studying, you would see that there's different terms placed in scriptures for that, okay? So this term is referring to an actual demon, all right? But the other terms is deceiver, a grand man, a great man who deceives, all right? Which is Esau. So Esau's the devil, straight up. All right, now let's get some scriptures on spiritual power. So this is Psalms chapter 18, verse 32. It is Yahweh that girdeth me with strength and maketh my way perfect. All right. He's the one that gives you strength. All right. And he's going to give us strength. All right. To fight in Jacob's trouble. All right. So he's the one that you have to wait on to give you strength, to give you power. All right. To protect yourself. Okay. Let's get more scriptures. Because this world is a very carnal world, okay? They're very carnal. They don't, whatever they see, okay? That's what they believe in, all right? So they never seen anything. They never seen any spiritual powers. They never seen any man fly before. So that's why they don't believe it, okay? But this thing is all about faith. All right? All right, so this is Psalms. This is Psalms 144, verse 1. All right. Psalm of David. Blessed be the Yahweh, my strength, which teacheth my hands to war and my fingers to fight. Okay. So the Most High teach David, war, and give his fingers the ability to fight. Now, if you really analyze, it's not like David was training all day. You know what I'm saying? It's not like he was training all day out of war and fight. Okay? The Most High gave him spiritual power to be able to fight in all those wars. Okay? And fight and be able to be victorious. Okay? So it's saying, Yahweh, my strength. Okay? That's where he gets his power from, his energy from. Okay? Which teaches my hands to war. So he's just able to fight in war and do all the stuff that he's been doing that's described in scriptures because he was given spiritual power. He was given power and strength from Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai. All right. So that's exactly going to be us. All right. So we're going to have strength. Okay. Calling the name of Yahweh Bahashem Yahushai. All right. Strength to be able to war. All right. Our hands are going to be able to fight. Okay. Okay. Let's get one more scripture. All right, so this is 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 52. In a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump. For the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed. Okay, so we're gonna be changed. All right. So this is a little going towards when so the ultimate changing of our bodies is when we are beamed up into the chariots. We have those perfect bodies. All right. So this is spiritual power right here. Okay, this is power, but this is going more into us getting those perfect bodies. All right. So we're going to receive angelic forces, angelic power, spiritual power that, to be able to protect ourselves from Jacob's trouble. All right. Now, I hope this lesson was edifying, and shalom.